Hello techies. Welcome to our brand new video series focused on helping you get the most of your experiences in life. Before we start the video, let's know about Upptalk. Upptalk is a live, interactive platform for software training, furnishing robust personalities who could take on universal business platforms.
Fine. So this is the introduction to mastery, which I just taken all the information by going into the training session. Okay. So in this introduction to mastery module, the main purpose is to give the entire update about the application. Because, finally, if you are going into an employee central consultant or the PMGM consultant or any of the module consultant under SuccessFactors, you should know how to use the application. Okay. And what are the things which are involved in the application that you should know? That is the basic information. Even when you go into a project or when you are working into a real-time basis, nobody will give you these minor information that we should know. Okay. So that is the reason when you are enrolling into your online training session. This will help you for going ahead. So, coming into the introduction to mastery, starting with, we will start with the overview about the organization. Like Hema is from the web background. So she knows, like she's been working into the project Rahul, you will be going into certain opportunity after completing of the success factor. So it is very important to know how various organization has been set up in the market. Okay. And how we can able to differentiate among the organization. What type of organization there are there? Okay, so coming into the ERP system, see there are. We have two type of organizations. One organization is something where they want to implement SuccessFactors or they are looking for implementing SuccessFactors for their HR business process. Okay, so for that what they will do? They will try to interact or coordinate with the SAP. Okay. Or purchasing the license, getting subscribed with SAP for taking this application, that is, for SAP SuccessFactors. Okay, and after purchasing the license from SAP. Once they purchase the license, they will be provided with a server space. Okay. At the cloud, as this SuccessFactors is a cloud technology. So, generally in SAP HR, what happens? The server is located at the client place, and that is the thing it is we call, as it is an on-premises. But SuccessFactors is a cloud platform. So, whatever the server which is being given by SAP after purchasing the license, that will be located at the cloud. Okay, so in the cloud, at the cloud level, we call as a data center. There are certain data centers are there and in these data centers they will be given a server space. Okay. Depending upon the geographical region of your customer of that particular company. So now we are discussing about a company, the first company, where the company want to go and implement SuccessFactors in their organization. For the business process. So they will go ahead and they will interact with SAP and they will go and purchasing the license getting subscribed with SAP after subscribing with SAP. They will be given a server space at a data center, depending upon that geographical region. So at around on a globally, they are around 15 to 14 to 15. That particular data center. Okay. And all the environments. So all the environments will be located in that particular data center and whatever the data, whatever the employee data which will be created. The organization data which will be created and maintained, that will be maintained at that particular data center, and the handling, the data, maintaining the data. Everything will be taken care by the SAP. Okay. So, at any point of time, if they want to access the data, who are the authorized and consultants they can able to access with the approval from the customer? They can access those data both from the front-end system and from the back-end system. Now, once they have been provided with the license and once they have been given the server space, they will be the company, they will be having everything for going for the implementation, but they cannot go and do the implementation independently. Right. So they have to look for the organization who are more into going for the implementation support. Okay. For this particular cloud platform, that is, for SAP SuccessFactors. So the first company who was taken the license, they will try to identify in the market. Who are the implementation companies? So we call it as an implementation. SAP Partner Companies. Okay. Because they will be also. These companies are also associated with SAP. Okay. In term of implementation support, more into the consulting role. Okay. Rollout upgrade. Okay. Implementation support. All these any partner companies are taking care of the partner companies. Where to be? Partner companies are nothing but they're more. Focus is on giving the customer, the consulting services, more into the implementation, or into the support, or into the upgrade or their business process. So now this company will try to identify who are the SAP partner companies who are more into the implementation and they will try to identify the credential of the company. Once they will identify, they will shortly stand. They will filter. They will interact with the business development team of the SAP partner company. So you can take any partner company. We have the partner companies like Accenture, Deloitte, Capgemini, TechMinder. Okay. These are the SAP partner companies. They are more into the consulting role and their more focus is to the giving the services to the customers. Once the company identify a partner company. So the role of a partner company will be to understand what is the requirement of the company. Okay. So these partner companies, they will set up a meeting. They're what you call sales team, will set up a meeting with the first company who is looking into the who want to implement the success factor in the organization. And these partner companies will. The sales team will try to set up a meeting to understand what is the requirement. What are the modules they want to go and implement? What are the locations? What are the country, region they want to implement? All these things. They will set up a meeting, and what are the skill resources? What are the skill set is required for that particular? They will set up a project and that project. What is the team size which is required? They want to have an on-site team or they want to have an offshore team. Does the customer will provide, that organization will provide the accommodation or not, or does the organization will provide the traveling cost or not? That everything will be decided and it will. It understands that type of the contract. What is the type of the contract they are looking into? So these are the discussions which is being carried in the initial phase, when the SAP Partner Company, the identity by SAP Partner Company sales and sales team, will try to interact with the product owners. I would say with the product owners of the organization or with the key users of the organization where they are more into that particular domain.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us at sales@upptalk.com.